we are going to be doing this chip contest today with our blindfold down here somewhere. It's shining down the black hole. And Griffin's gonna be filming today. And I'm a new guest, Charlie. I'm one of your best friends, and I'm down in Belmead.
Yeah,
alright, let's get this contest started.
Obviously, the ugly guy from the
Alright, you can probably see it's like pouring the rain outside. It's crazy thunder.
You're gonna hear some thunder, so don't worry about that. Just
let's go ahead and start this.
There's always one thunder, so
He's my little brother, Leo.
That's Leo, and that is Max.
So, both twins, if you're guessing.
So, we're doing the chip review contest. So, your options are extra hot Pringles, Doritos, salt and vinegar chips, Cool Ranch Doritos, cheese crackers. I wrote it cracks.
Cracks.
And sour cream and onion chips. So, let's get this
So is
ready.
it the first one to get first? Gets the point?
It is actually you guys will both get a chance to answer. I'm not gonna say anything. Put your blindfolds on.
I already know.
Let's begin this. All right, Max and Leo, you guys are going to be delivering.
Not yet.
First one, this should be a good bit easy.
I think now I'm down the black hole.
Hudson, and you give that to Charlie.
I'm pretty sure that mine is.
Yes, he's our special guest. All right, you can do it now, buddy.
Where's the chip?
You can give it to him. It's right here. It's right here. It's right there. All right. I will tell you when to answer. Charlie, put it on. Eat it. You can eat it. You can eat it. All right. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Just remember your options are extra hot Pringles, Doritos, salt and vinegar, Cool Ranch Doritos, cheese, cracks, and sour cream and onion. All right. Answers in 3, 2, 1.
Cheese crackers.
All right.
Cheese crack.
You guys both got that correct.
Cheese crack. Is that correct?
that is correct.
Alright, I'm not going to tell you anything else anymore. Don't tell them if it's correct or not.
I went down the black hole.
You barely see anything.
Alright,
I see some sunlight, but
Oh my.
here's our second one. This is the... We will not tell. Alright.
I think these are way too.
This is our second chip, isn't it?
Yes, this is our
It's
second.
definitely a chip.
It's always been a chip. Alright.
It's only
Alright, Hudson, take the chip.
Okay.
You can't see it. Alright, taste it.
I already know what it is.
I'm assuming you guys know what it is. 3, 2, 1.
Sour cream and onion.
The sour cream and onion cheese crackers? I mean, no, not the cheese crackers. The crackers.
Alright.
The Pringles. Is that right?
Move on. I'm not.
I mean, not the Pringles. The little like Lay's. The little Lay's.
Okay.
The little bag.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything.
Third chip, please, ma'am.
Third chip.
Man,
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Leo is not over there yet. All right. All right, Charlie.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Ranch Doritos.
Cool Ranch Doritos.
All right. We will move on to the next round.
Did you set them down?
Yeah. I know.
I did.
Everything. I know everything.
Like, wait. Because I can't see it.
All right. We are moving on to the next round. Round 4.
Oh, I thought it was 18.
Hold on.
Ow, you hit me. Alright.
Oh.
All right. Are you guys ready? Answer in 3, 2, 1.
Spicy Pringles.
Spicy Pringles.
Guys.
Oh, I forgot my water.
All right. 3.
Charlie likes spiciness.
We are moving on to the 6th and final. Or wait a second. 6th and final round. Yes. Wait. Hold on. Yes. No. Fifth. Fifth round. Fifth round. I am not good at this. All right. Give the chip.
You touched it.
You ready?
Yes.
You guys eat it? 3, 2, 1.
Doritos.
Plain Doritos. Plain like the
Nacho
cheese
cheese.
Doritos.
Yeah,
Nacho
okay.
cheese.
Nacho cheese.
Alright, I got you.
I need to put this
On some iPhone. Why do I keep on singing that legit song?
Alright. Now we are moving on to
iPhone 11, please. Just
we are moving on to the final.
He's like
Here.
this guy.
Here.
He's a football player. He should be smart.
Mary Jane. Is that Mary Jane?
Alright, your chip
It was Mary Jane.
is here.
Kippy.
Your chip is here. I am Jane.
What's this?
Your chip is here.
Oh no.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Salt and vinegar.
Vinegar.
Alright.
That was easy.
Now, time for your results. You guys can remove your head bands.
Eyes. Yeah, I'm out of the black hole.
Oh, finally.
He was a tired dog.
We have a tie with all of them correct.
Yes, I already know that.
So, we will move on to the next round later. There will be no part 2. We will have to do it. We are doing it. Here we going. Oh, we're going this. We're going cereal. 2 cinnamon pieces of cereal. They will never be able to guess this. Let's do this. Alright, put your headbands on. Put your headbands on.
Okay.
We will do this. I'm not saying anything about this.
Just give me the chip.
It's. Don't eat it yet. I will tell you when to eat it.
Give me the chip.
Don't eat it yet. Don't
I know what it is by just feeling it.
don't eat it yet. Hold on. I will. This will be.
No, Jarvis.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Chex Mix like waffle pretzel
It's the
things.
little
All right.
like square waffle.
Cinnamon waffle.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Answer.
Oh wait.
Cinnamon waffle.
It's like those little.
It's like square
it's like
cinnamon
those
waffle
little
Chex
square-
Mix.
It's like those little square things with that looks like that has the.
He loses. He's doing too much detail.
What's it called again?
We have a winner.
Two.
That winner is Charlie. It was Hudson never said it. Charlie said checks, and it was checks.
I don't know what checks is.
So okay.
It's like this little thing. It's like this little thing, but I forgot what it was called.
We have the cereal in our freaking thing.
Got a jet in his mouth.
Now,
What?
let's end this video here.
We'll move on to
Alright.
the next.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like button down below.
Hit that like
Subscribe if you're new.